Hi, I'm Jim Knight. I work here at AMETEK Haydenkirk. I operate the grinding machine that we use to make our taps, dies. This is the part that I'm going to measure here on the Zygo Z gauge.
My name is Mike Schmidt with the Zygo Corporation. We produce non-contact metrology devices to help Haydenkirk measure their surfaces, and that's what we're going to show you today.
What I predominantly use the machine for is to measure the different features on the taps or dies and the thread forms, giving me a clear picture of the thread depth, flank angles, and radius of the thread. We can even measure the form and the surface finish on portions of the thread and see how that affects our process down the line when we go ahead and manufacture our screws. So when we make the tap and thread form, I confirm that from the prints that the measurements from the wheel matches what I'm getting on the actual part I'm making. That does include the thread depth, the radius, the surface finish. It's very useful being non-contact and right here in this particular cell that we can do this on the floor. So with this particular data set that I just opened and it finished processing, I can certainly look at the heights of the threads on my 3D model. I can look at the width and pitch. There's also some software options that will allow you to look at the highest points and the lowest points. If I look at the 2D model, what I can find is that there's a certain contamination in this area, and it could be just dust or oil.
So one of the capabilities that we provide to Haydenkirk is the ability to very quickly and precisely measure their parts within the same cell, so they don't have to walk off to a metrology lab. So what they'll do is come over, place the part onto the V-block, do a very quick stitch, essentially a couple of different fields of view to get a larger area. They'll measure that, and they immediately get results that are going to show them the radius, the height of the screws, and as well as surface texture that's required for their process.